You won't believe it. One single AI tool can do the job of 5 people. And guess what? It's completely free right now. Greater than artificial intelligence is moving faster than ever. From video editing to writing scripts, AI is taking over tasks humans used to spend hours doing. But today, I'll show you one tool that's changing the game, and how you can use it right now. Greater than, the tool is called Pika Labs. It turns simple text prompts into stunning AI videos in seconds.
No camera, no editor, just AI.
Greater than just type, a man creating a robot in a neon-lit lab, and boom, realistic motion video. No camera, no crew, no editing skills needed. You can use it to make explainer videos, ads, or even full YouTube content like this one. So why is this important? Because soon, companies will hire fewer people and more AI creators. If you start learning these tools now, you'll stay ahead of millions who are still ignoring the AI wave. Greater than, want to stay updated with the smartest AI tools every week? Greater than, subscribe now and don't miss the next one.